guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I am Melissa and today I am showing you my stay home giveaway. So we are all stuck at home. We have our stay home orders through April 30th, but I'm pretty sure it's going to go longer than that. So I figure while everyone is stuck at home, and I know everyone is struggling with this in different ways, whether you are someone or know someone with COVID, or you are at home with children trying to teach them right now, or you are quarantined and you are someone that really needs to get out of the house, or you do not have a job right now. There are so many ways that we are all affected. And I just want to bring a little sunshine to one of you guys. And I think it's also really important at this time that we don't put boundaries on how people can be affected by this, because we are not walking in everyone else's shoes, and we just need to be understanding and know that we are all struggling with this together. Before I get into all the giveaway items and how you get entered, I do want to ask you guys some questions about my channel. So first of all, I just want to know what you guys love and what you prefer not to watch that I'm doing already. Not that that's going to stop me from filming any of it, but this channel is run on people watching the videos. So if you guys don't like a type of video, then I'll probably do less of it. Everything that I film, I really enjoy doing, or I wouldn't do it. But I would always love feedback from you guys. I would also love to know if there's something else you want to see me film. You are going to see coming up, I think the end of this week, I have got a dip gel powder, however you say it, tutorial coming up. I've been doing dip gels for a long time, and I know for several reasons people are looking to try them at home now. So I did a little tutorial, and since then I've been really studying up on them because I want to get better at my dip gel game. I kind of want to do some more tutorials for you guys. I did this one today and it turned out so much better than the one that I already filmed. But in the one that I filmed, I was just showing some different techniques I was trying for the first time, and then the basics of how I do a dip gel manicure. But let me know if you guys want to see some more detailed tutorials on different methods and different brands, things like that. It would not take over my channel. I love makeup and beauty, but it is kind of fun. I know a lot of people are doing them right now, so let me know. I gained several new palettes in my collection this month, so I'm going to show you really quick, go through which ones they are. This is not a haul or anything. I want to know what you guys want to see most of in terms of looks, because I really want to get into playing more with these, aside from just their first impression and looks that I did with them. I have filmed with all of these so far, so it's either up or it's coming. Tomorrow is coming this look with two other looks with the pastel pup palette. So be looking forward to that because I really enjoyed playing with this palette and I'm loving this look right now. But I want to know what else you guys want to see. So we've got two from Menagerie Cosmetics. I've got the pastel pup in violet ink. I got the Sandra Rose palette from Glaminatrix along with, oh no! Okay, I gotta take this silver shade out. It totally just popped out. Oh my gosh. Struggle. So here's the Sandra Rose palette. The silver shade popped out and fell out of the pan. So I got that with a few singles. I've got the Looksy Beauty in Bloom collection, which I love and have not really played with. I've got the 4 Lunar Skies Cosmetics palettes, and then I've got the Mini Lila palette from Natasha Denona. So those are the new things I have in my collection from March. Let me tell you, not a lot's going to be coming into my collection in April because I'm on eyeshadow overload. But what do you guys want to see me play with or combine? Those kinds of things. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more skincare kinds of things, because I can definitely incorporate more of that into it. I am a skincare fanatic and I love it, and finding inexpensive ways to have good skincare. So let me know if you want to see some things on that. Other than that, I think we're ready to get in the giveaway. I just would love some feedback from you guys on what you want to see most on my channel. So let's get in. Look how sad this guy is. Do you see it? Can you tell that it popped it out? Oh my God. Y'all, I am pretty sure that shadow is all over my floor right now. Here's the pan. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so sad. Like, it's just totally crumbled apart everywhere. Let me see if I can salvage a little piece of this. There's got to be a chunk somewhere, but I don't know where it is. I'm just super sad right now. That shade is so foiled and beautiful too. Let's get into the giveaway and I will fix that later. So let's start with some face products. I tried to get some kind of product from each different step of your makeup routine so you would have a variety of things. So we've got the Professional from Benefit. I've got two glowy highlighter things. One is the Focal Point Glow Lighter from Colored Rain. And the other one is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. And this is in Nova. See, so it's shimmery champagne highlighter drops. Oh my gosh, I hope this stuff does not have silver all over it. I've got a Hoola bronzer and a Tarte blush in Exposed. I've got two mascaras for you. One is a Clinique Lash Doubling Mascara and the other is a They're Real Mascara from Benefit. I've got two eyeliners. One is a Bodyography eye pencil in Bali Bronze. And then the Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner from Tarte. We've got a Luxe Diamond Cream eyeshadow from Lorac in Cashmere. I want to say that this one is a taupey champagne color. I got two from Ulta. I haven't even used the one that I have, so I'm going to put that in a giveaway. I think that one's the taupey champagne shade. For lips, so we've got the oh my gosh, silver everywhere. We've got the Smashbox Lip Enhancing Gloss. I love this on top of anything. My apologies for the silver, but when you get this, at least you'll know why if there's a little silver on it. This is a Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie Buttercream Lip Gloss in Must Have Pink. Let's see what color this is. So it's a pink. What an appropriate name for that. And then you are going to be getting a ColourPop Lippy Lipstick in Slacker. This is one of their cream ones. I want to say this is a pink. Let's look at the cap. So it's a pinky color. And then of course you are going to need a setting spray. So I've got a Tarte Already Scent Radiant Mist to clean your face off. We've got a Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. And to keep your face hydrated, I've got a couple different things for you here. The Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty, the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly, and the Belief True Moisturizing Balm. These are some of my favorite moisturizers, so you are going to enjoy those as well. So those are all of the goodies in this stay home giveaway. So to get entered, it is going to be the same as all of my giveaways. You are going to enter through a Gleam link. First, you do need to be a subscriber, so go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you have not already, and then you're going to follow the Gleam link that's linked below. So this is going to help me pick a winner. Super simple, and there are some ways that you can get bonus entries through the Gleam link as well. So there will be following me on Instagram, which you need to anyways, because I put things in my stories there that you aren't going to see on my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Twitter and retweet my tweet with the giveaways. So those are some ways to get bonus entries into my giveaway. This giveaway will go through April 30th, since that's when my current stay home order is until. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please do tell me in the comments what more you would like to see on my channel, and if you are interested in more nail and skincare things. And even if you say that makeup is still going to be the main focus of this channel, because that is my true love. I hope you guys are staying happy and healthy and safe and finding a way to enjoy this time at home. Although I totally know it can be very difficult at times. Please do come back tomorrow to see this look along with a couple other ones with the Pastel Puff palette, and I will see you guys then. Bye!